Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to share with you how you can enable or disable notch in your Huawei Y7 Prime device. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you have to go on settings section and then go click on display, and then you will see here notch. Simply click that. By default, Huawei notch system is appear. If you want to hide notch, you can simply choose this and you will see that notch immediately vanish, so it will appear like normal it was there. So if you want to return back or if you want to enable notch, you can do so. Again, same way, go on setting, display, notch, and then choose this default. So it's going to again appear notch. So this is how you can enable or disable notch in your Huawei Y7 Prime device. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.